Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Let's explore the differences between drill drivers and impact drivers to help you make the best choice for your project. Here we have a drill driver and an impact driver. Both are powerful tools, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down. The drill driver is your go-to choice for tasks that require slower speeds and more control. It's perfect for projects where precision is key. Using a drill driver is perfect for detailed work, small spaces, or when you need to take your time to ensure a smooth and even coat of paint. On the other hand, you can use your impact driver. This tool is built for speed and efficiency. It's fantastic for projects that allow you to go at a faster pace. While running the impact driver, you might hear the impacting of the drill as you use the sprayer. This is okay. This is not harming the drill nor the sprayer. This impacting noise will also not affect your spray pattern. Some impact drills will impact more than others. Don't worry, there isn't anything wrong with this happening. The great thing is, if you have both, you can truly select the correct drill for your project pace. Choosing the right drill for your Cordless Connect is all about finding the balance between control and speed. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.